Here I've created a sketch it, play it drawing, and I have connected it to the Makey Makey, and I have my piano program open. And so what should happen is when I touch the leg here, which is connected to earth, and touch either the right arm or the head, it should play a note. So I'm going to touch here, that's earth, and then touch this arm. Let's see if it plays a note. That's great, but let's see here. That's not working, but it's playing here. So what that means is I've got a problem. So one way to solve this is to actually touch the alligator clip with one hand and touch the alligator clip here. That shows that it's the alligator clip. If I just go directly to the clip, it works. However, we've got a problem here with the drawing because obviously when I touch my leg here and touch the head, it should work, but it doesn't. So one way to test this is to touch the leg on the earth and touch the alligator clip up here. So that tells me that it's likely this alligator clip that's the problem as far as the drawing. So I'm going to detach this alligator clip and work on the drawing here a little bit, improve this, and then reattach the alligator clip. And then let's see what happens. Get back to my piano program, and there we go. So I'm going to touch here on the leg, which is earth, and then touch the head. So I improved my drawing, or made it work, by improving the thickness of my line right here. And one other way to do troubleshooting is to disconnect your Makey Makey from your computer, and then now that it's disconnected, try using the app or the screen that you want to control with the Makey Makey, just using the keys on the keyboard. So if it works here on using the keyboard, you should be able to use it using your Makey Makey. So I'm going to connect my Makey Makey, and you'll see that the lights blinked right here. So if I detach, excuse me, if I detach these alligator clips, and then I can pinch this earth bar here and then just touch the arrow keys. Now my hands have to be a little moist for this to work, and if they aren't, if my hands are very dry, this process won't work. So once I do that, I can then begin attaching things to see if the Makey Makey will work with my drawing, one step at a time. So here I have the earth and the orange alligator clip connected, and that should allow me to touch the leg here and the arm to play a note, which it does. One other thing that's kind of fun to do is just quickly create a connection like that, and then because of this jumper, I should be able to play the note using the torso of my robot. So I'm going to touch here on the leg, and there you go. I can touch anywhere here, and if I want, I can go back and delete or erase that line that I just made, and now the torso won't work anymore as a note player. The arm will, the torso won't. There's some basic troubleshooting for you.